Welcome to My 24-Hour Website. We're going to give you a quick little run through of how this actually works. That way you know exactly what to expect. You've landed on either this page that you see in front of you or a page that's very similar that just doesn't have this video right here on the left. You'll notice on the right is a box asking for name, email, phone number, and your company size, and then a go button. If you decide to scroll down, you'll notice on the right side there's a little chat box. It says, welcome to My 24-Hour Website, what brings you to us today? If you click start, it'll ask for your name and email, and you'll start a chat with one of our reps. The first section here, if you continue to scroll down the page, it says, what's the catch? Is it too good to be true? And the thing is that we just think that it's a broken industry and it's time to change that, so we're working hard at doing that, and this is definitely how to do it. We can make it really convenient and simple by just asking 24 questions, which is this left icon here. We ask you to send in 24 pictures, which is that middle, and then within 24 hours we'll have the site up and running. If you keep on going down the page, you'll notice the process. It kind of explains how once payment is made and the survey is given to us, you send in your pictures and boom, website's done. If you continue to scroll down the page, you'll notice the another video section where the video that you're watching is currently located. This is going to be how it works. You also have a call to action to move you right into the process to get started. This will take you right back up to the top of the page, so you can go ahead and fill out this information here. So if you scroll back down and you continue on, you'll notice that there's a couple testimonials from a few of our clients. There's an opportunity to look at some websites that we've recently completed. And then again, there's another start button, and then there is a browse designs button. Browse designs literally takes you, skips past the contact form, and it takes you right into the design page. So we're going to start up here at the very top though. This is the easiest way, that way we get a little information right away, right as you're going through the process. So I'm just going to put in test name, test@test.com, phone number, and then company size, and I'm going to show you exactly what happens here. You hit go. It's going to give you a little message saying stand by as we direct you to our design page. Just wait a second as it's pushing you over to the other page. And then this next page is called our pick page. We call it also the web funnel. This is where you're going to look at what is more included and also all the design types that you can use. This page can take just a second longer to load just because there are a lot of graphics on this page due to the over 120 or so designs that we have pre-installed here. So you'll notice that right at the top it gives a description what's included. That's pretty much everything that your website needs to be up and running. We got a pro tip right here that literally says every design can be used with any industry. For example, you can use a layout titled restaurant as a freelancer site. Get creative, don't let the title restrict your vision. That's really important as you're looking at all these different designs, that they are titled based on what the current design looks like, but every single one can be used for any type of category. So you have an opportunity to either search in a business type. So let's say I want to look for a salon. I just start to type it in. I don't see any salons, so I can type in maybe a spa, and there you go. You can see that it immediately tells you which ones are available that are currently designed that way. So you can also just scroll down and you can see that there's all these different ones. If you hover over the design, it'll scroll the entire home page of that design. You can then click view. So I'm going to go ahead and pick this one that says real estate here, and I'm either going to click on the image or click on the view button. Doesn't matter. It's going to open a new window with a little bit larger image of the design, so you can really see a little bit more clarity of the whole thing. You can even go like this and really pull it right in and check it out. And then you can see that the quantity, of course, you're going to just want to leave it at 1 unless you're trying to design multiple sites for multiple businesses that you have. You'll have a select start button right here. Over on the right, you'll notice different categories. Again, those are just to give you examples of how it would look with that particular category. You can also use the keyword again to search out one. And then if you scroll down, you'll see more description, a little bit more information about what is included in that particular design. They're all the same. They're all inclusive. We try to make it as simple as possible. And then we have, of course, some related ones, more real estate ones in this particular situation here. And again, you'll see on the right, the chat box is there. It's only available really when we have somebody that's at a terminal and able to answer questions. It's not outsourced. We do all of our own customer care, so it's going to be handled right here in Bullhead City or Kingman, Arizona. We have 3 different reps that are on this project right now, and they're the ones that are handling this during the day. So let's just say I want to select one. I'm going to hit select start. It's going to automatically take me directly to the checkout page, where I'm going to put in my billing information, all that right here, and then it will say PayPal down here at the bottom. If you don't have a PayPal account, that's okay. When you hit proceed to PayPal, it'll literally give you the option just to use a debit or credit card without having a PayPal account. And that's it. Once you've submitted this, what ends up happening is the page will say thank you for your submission. We'll receive the information on our end and immediately send you a link to our survey page. So that's what's going to be popping up next. So you'll get a link to what's called our my24hourwebsite.com/survey. You'll find there's 24 questions that you'll go through, and you can see they're based in categories. So we have the first one is just business information. That's everything we're going to need to understand what your target audience is and what you offer. Then we're going to have some general site design questions, things like colors and fonts, and then logistics. So this is a really important part where if you already have a website and we're redesigning a website, this gives us opportunity to get the login so that we can get into the back end, or it gives you opportunity to just leave us information so we can at least create a staging site, and then once you've reviewed the staging site, we can do the transition to make it live when it's convenient for you. That way you don't have any downtime. So again, more questions there, and that's it. You hit send message. If for any reason you get through this and you send it in and you realize you forgot something, you can use this contact form on the bottom and just say you forgot something. And that's it. And then what ends up happening from that point is we've received everything we need and the clock starts. You'll receive one email from us saying that we've received everything we needed, or if we're missing anything, and that the work is in progress. And before 24 hours is up, you'll get a final hello from us, basically saying, hey, the site is done and ready to go, with a link to the domain, and it will be live and up and running. So that's it. It's really that simple. This video just explained the entire process. Right now I'm at the 7-minute mark. So that's how fast it is, literally, to send in everything that we need to get the website running. And that's really why we're changing this entire industry on its head. We're knocking down the barriers of time and money, and we're getting those businesses that are still stuck in that 46% that don't have a website, we're getting them up and running and online so they can start selling their products and services worldwide. Thanks for watching.